Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, I will explain about amino acid catabolism. So, what is amino acid catabolism? First, we know from this word catabolism. Catabolism is about breaking down. Okay, so what is amino acid? For us to know what is amino acid, we can refer to the definition of amino acid catabolism. Amino acid catabolism is part of larger process of metabolism of nitrogen containing molecules. Okay. Okay, so daripada mana nitrogen ni datang? Daripada it enters the body through our diet. Dan dia keluar daripada badan, exit the body as urea or ammonia ataupun incorporated into other substances. Okay. So, about amino acid catabolism, we must know that there are 3 steps or 3 stages. The first one is kita akan remove amino acid nitrogen group as ammonia. Later we will know how. Okay. Next, the second stage is metabolism of ammonia. The third stage is carbon skeleton metabolism. Carbon skeleton metabolism is used for energy production ataupun kita akan form glucose ataupun kita akan form fatty acid. Okay. So back to how ammonia is formed. Okay. Ada three processes. First, transamination. Second, deamination. Third, transdeamination. Transdeamination is basically a combination of the first two. Okay. So transamination ni kita pakai enzim apa? Kita pakai enzim ALT, AST and glutamate transaminase. ALT adalah alanine transaminase, AST aspartate transaminase. The third one glutamate transaminase. Okay. So now we want to compare between all these 3 enzymes. Okay, so all the 3 enzymes is involved in what we call transamination process. Function dia adalah untuk transfer NH2 group only. Then, we will know that there is no ammonia released. Transamination is reversible and it happens in cytosol and mitochondria. Then process transamination needs coenzyme called PLP or pyridoxal phosphate. Okay. So, what actually is transamination ni? Transamination ni kita akan transfer NH2 group which will make transfer NH2 group from amino acid to alpha keto acid dan akan menghasilkan new types of each. Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya kita akan ada daripada amino acid type A, contohnya this type A ni bukan betul, ni just nak gambarkan katakan alanine macam tu, then it will turn into another form of amino acid ataupun another type of amino acid. And then dekat alpha keto acid ni juga after the transfer of NH2 group from alpha keto acid type B, it will turn into alpha keto acid type D. This is just for your visualization. Okay, so menggunakan transaminase enzyme, transfer NH2 group, then after it undergoes transamination, amino acid will become another type, alpha keto acid will also become another type. Okay, so we want to know what are the types of the enzyme kan. Tadi dekat atas kita dah sebut, right? Just to review, transaminase ataupun we can also call them aminotransferase. Ada 3 jenis, ALT ataupun another name is GPT. GPT ni apa? Glutamate pyruvate transaminase. AST or also called GOT. GOT, glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase. Glutamate transaminase, memang nama dia glutamate transaminase. Firstly, we have to clarify semua memerlukan coenzyme PLP ataupun pyridoxal phosphate. Okay. So, why do we have to remember these other names? Kadang-kadang, these other names akan masuk dalam MCQ. Okay, so from the old name, this is called the old name, we can know what is the product. Okay, So ALT or GPT menghasilkan glutamate dan pyruvate, and it uses alanine as its amino acid. Tadi kan kita cakap amino acid will turn into another type of amino acid. Okay. And then for AST, kita akan menghasilkan glutamate dan juga oxaloacetate. OAA ni singkatan untuk ni, oxaloacetate. And then we use amino acid dipanggil aspartate. Okay. So for glutamate transaminase, we can use any amino acid except lysine. Then we will combine with alpha ketoglutamate, producing glutamic acid or glutamate. Sama, glutamic acid is the same as glutamate, and we will produce the corresponding alpha keto acid. Okay. So for the normal level, for ALT 5 to 35, AST 5 to 40 IU per L. Ni I believe it's international unit per liter. Okay, so where is it distributed or found most? Dekat liver, dekat heart, and all over the tissue. Maksudnya we can find it all over. And bila mana kita find increased concentration of these enzymes in these organs, that means there might be a cell destruction. Okay, so what is the importance of transamination? Transamination will produce non-essential amino acid. It will prevent ammonia toxicity. Kenapa? Sebab in transamination there is no production of ammonia, whereas other steps nanti ada yang akan produce ammonia. Okay, so it also provides energy for the body by gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis ni oxidation of alpha keto acid. So gluconeogenesis ni kita menggunakan sources other than carbohydrate untuk membekalkan tenaga kepada badan. Okay, so that's the first part of amino acid catabolism about transamination. There is also deamination and transdeamination sekejap lagi.